Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. Simple and beautiful modular kitchen combination is a deadly combination for a modern home interior. Watch this video completely if you want a simple but modern kitchen design that will make your home interior look gorgeous. These simple and awesome kitchen catalog designs have all the latest and best practices for you to take inspiration to make your modular kitchen simple and beautiful kitchen. A kitchen with small size should be applied to simple kitchen design. It's because the simple concept would make a small room more comfortable than it actually is. The simple design would help you maximize the space you have in your room. Modular kitchen now has been a popular choice since it has a lot of advantages. The main advantage of modular kitchen is that you can easily carry your cabinet with module in a box and fit in your new home kitchen. It is also easy to clean and even you can repair any part of modular kitchen. The kitchen provides clutter-free space to easily work in the area. Modular kitchen come in such a variety of colors and design that you will surely get one according to your taste. It gives you liberty to set your kitchen as per your wish. It comes in a ready-to-install prefabricated form, which makes its installation extremely convenient. Modular kitchen has a fashionable look which lends a great appeal to your interior decor. Besides all those ultimate advantages that modular kitchen has, it also has wonderful design that make your eye cannot stop looking at. Modular kitchen having straight lines and a little beauty are in trend. These kitchens have a combination of sink and furniture. Dark wood and cabinet of bright, vibrant colors are in trend for simple kitchens. The cabinets are user-friendly. The kitchens have latest style of doors, cabinet, hardware, etc. The front doors and cabinet should have glass. Simple modular kitchen designs have been a popular choice now because they have a lot of interesting accessories that not only functional but are also beautiful. There are a lot of ideas spread out there if you want to search for home inspiration for your tiny house. A tiny house is supposed to have a tiny kitchen too. So, small space kitchen would be something you need for your house. As you can see, there's only a small portion of space available for the kitchen in small home. Don't worry. These simple kitchen designs would still have a complete feature for you to handle your cooking workflow. Using a light shade of color for tiny space is highly recommended. It would create an illusion of space. A couple of stools or chairs is optional. If you need one, just place it on the table side, so the table can also be used as a kitchen island. It's got a built-in bottleneck rack where you can organize your bottle ingredients beside the rack. You have a sub-zero refrigerator to get the minimalist kitchen more entertaining. Simple kitchen designs has a timeless style with simple accents. It gets accessorized minimally with the pared down pottery collections. One bright yellow in the middle of the ceiling highlighted all the space in the kitchen. Simplest and most appealing way to get the modular kitchen design is to have a compact look with a well-planned designing and furniture arrangement. Do not waste an inch. Easy and quick and simple tips to get your kitchen well organized is as follows. Channelize your drawer system. It's always easy for a lady to work with pull-out drawers. It's fast, time and energy saving. Convenient to keep in and take out required bottles and jars, container, plates, etc. very fast. You can easily customize according to your taste as well. According to your need, requirement, taste, amount, and type of cooking, the style one should plan out the modular kitchen furniture set, cabinet, trays, pull-out, etc. and then execute it according to the dimension of the respective kitchen space. Biggest benefit of modular kitchen is freedom of self-customization. Open racks and trays on the countertop is also a feature of simple modular kitchen. For a smooth and uninterrupted process of work, it's necessary to install few open racks, shelf trays on the countertop of working counter. Kitchen goes through unending list of spices, oil, ghee, etc. It's better to keep all such necessities in front of your eyeballs for a quick and faster work. Friends, if you are enjoying these designs and ideas on simple kitchen designs, then you should definitely consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be a part of our YouTube family. On interior decor designs, our aim is to simplify and give ideas to our subscriber and make them aware of modern interior decoration design ideas that is going on in this world. If you want more design ideas on interior and exterior designs, then you can check out our website interiordecordesigns.in and also our Android app to get the latest design ideas according to your choice. You can also follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Telegram. You will find all the link in the description box below this video. One of the most important features of a simple kitchen is the shape of the kitchen. According to your space, given area and requirement, it's better to give a proper and appealing shape to your kitchen. One can go for L-shaped kitchen, gallery kitchen or one-wall kitchen. You can also use U-shaped kitchen, two-wall kitchen, etc. according to the space of your home. Adding up an island slab for that extra work or let it be a snack center. Whatever the shape may be, make sure of a healthy and good work triangle. Blow up your kitchen design. Let's make your kitchen design be modular with furniture settings as well as with electrical settings and illumination works. Illuminate shadow with well tidy and planned lighting at the ceiling. Create a false ceiling, false covers to get that part of light which has been missing in your kitchen. Privatize your corners. Corners like lazy Susan, wall corners, etc. can't be just wasted like it. Install open steel racks of triangular shapes to get most of the space used up and utilized up properly. Top kitchen designs require a good amount of planning and programming. Light up inner cabinets and corners. A modular kitchen design is incomplete without perfect lighting inside the cabinet. Do not push your cabinet into darkness. Install a good pair of lighting inside all the overhead cabinets, corners, walls, etc. Use material for countertop to make it look awesome. Garnish your countertops with stone, glass, steel or wooden material. They speak the language of classy and dignity. Install quality material for quality outcome and durability for years. Modular kitchen designs is incomplete without proper garnishing of color effects. They create the most impressive visual impact and gives meaning to your kitchen design. Make your homemaker cooking experience much smoother, fast, organized and well settled. Sometimes homeowners find it hard to keep away the fridge because it has a contrast color with the kitchen cabinet. Some homeowners want to keep a natural brown wood as the color of their kitchen cabinets. The ordinary color of the fridge might not be suitable for such applications. So one of the clever solutions you can have in your wooden farmhouse kitchen is to hide the fridge inside the cabinet. You may need one cabinet space that fits the refrigerator. Then you need to cover the fridge door with the wooden door which is as same as the cabinet. You can use a ceramic sink as you often find it in a restroom or toilets. Well, you can also use it as the sink in your kitchen. It would be a lot easier to clean and suitable for these simple kitchen designs. If you want to get closer to the nature, you can actually apply that concept on your kitchen as well. Take a look at the color choices that the kitchen we have shown you in this video. You can rewind the video and watch it again if you have missed it. Let's get some shades of green color to get you closer to the Mother Nature. For the accent, you can have a grey color for the cabinet and the white color for the walls. Those three colors would make a good friend to your green shade. A floral decoration is a must-have item for simple kitchen designs. Watch this video carefully and notice some minute details for your own modular kitchen simple design ideas. Choosing the right simple kitchen design for your kitchen should depend on the size of the room. All the ideas you have found in this video are ready for the limited space you have in your small house. As said before, the key to having a simple and comfortable kitchen in a small house is to keep it simple. Simple and beautiful modular kitchen combination is a deadly combination for a modern home interior. Watch this video completely if you want a simple but modern kitchen design that will make your home interior look gorgeous. These simple and awesome kitchen catalog designs have all the latest and best practices for you to take inspiration to make your modular kitchen simple and beautiful kitchen. A kitchen with a small size should be applied to simple kitchen design. It's because the simple concept would make a small room more comfortable than it actually is. The simple design would help you maximize the space you have in your room. Modular kitchen now has been a popular choice since it has a lot of advantages. The main advantage of modular kitchen is that you can easily carry your cabinet with module in a box and fit in your new home kitchen. It is also easy to clean and even you can repair any part of modular kitchen. The kitchen provides clutter-free space to easily work in the area.